Fresh picked blackcurrants from my garden are boiled together with sugar, water and lemon juice and strained to obtain this rich, sweet, tasty syrup perfect for drinks to make the most delicious ice cream as well as a topping. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. With great syrup comes great responsibilities. Every year I turn the blackcurrants from my backyard into a jam, but this year I decided to make a delicious syrup. This is great in so many different things. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start with 2 pounds of blackcurrants. This is close to 1 kilo. These are already washed and stemmed. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. I'm also going to add the juice of 1 lemon. I'm just going to turn the heat on, and once the berries start getting heated up and the sugar starts to melt, I'm going to add 2 cups of water and I'm going to give it a good stir. I'm going to bring this to the boil and allow this to cook for 20 minutes. This is looking really good. I'm just going to lightly press down on the berries with a potato masher just to release the juice from these delicious fruit. Do this while it's still cooking and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. By the way, blackcurrants are high in vitamin C. They have plenty of antioxidants and anthocyanins, and these can help strengthen your immune system, soothe sore throats, and ease flu symptoms. They are also anti-diabetic and they have anti-cancer agents. They boost your memory and they're great for your skin and eyes. I'm going to take this off the heat and allow this to cool for a bit. To get the most amazing syrup, I'm going to pour this into a strainer. And using the back of a spoon, I'm just going to press all that pure, delicious liquid out. This is literally pure gold, and it should be bottled and stored in a sterilized bottle in the fridge. The solids that are left behind are still great to consume, just not good for the texture of the syrup, but these should absolutely not be wasted. I'm going to puree the remainder in my food processor, and I'm going to store it for use in smoothies and cakes. Stay tuned for my recipes for blackcurrant mojitos and my blackcurrant and pistachio ice cream using this syrup. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoy this delicious recipe for blackcurrant syrup. It's so easy to make. I was fortunate enough to have blackcurrants growing in my own backyard, but you can easily purchase this from the store as well. It will work with both black and red currants. If you love this video, do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure that you're subscribed as well as that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love the videos, share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.